Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. As I have already explained you that the price of natural gas is moving upside, okay, and it's trying to go higher. The dollar index also there it is trying to come down and a probability one of the probabilities that the natural gas price is moving upside because the price of dollar index is moving down. Okay, and I've already explained you 2-3 concept here that this particular trend is continuously down. If you look at this particular trend, the second trend is this particular trend, the gap is still pending, so you have to understand once the price started going above a level of 3.7 this time, a probability will be very higher that this gap will be filled from 4.1 to a level of 4.3. Okay, and chances are very high that we can see this gap will be filled. Now if you look at this particular trend of 2021, after 2021 there is a pattern forming in natural gas. What this pattern was saying that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming. Okay, and this fall is around 30 to 40%. As soon as it moves and then profit booking comes, we have seen again it tries to go upside and the new high was making, and the 5 times it repeated. Sixth time it would have been repeated, but it didn't because of the situations of war we have seen. Okay, after that what happened, then we have seen that the price was moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for quite some time. As soon as it hit it moved out of the zone, we have seen two highs, 3.5 and 3.6. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at this particular trend. Suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability of crossing a level of 2.5098 is there. Okay, and this level is also being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of around 2.5690. This 2.5690 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and yes, it will cross a level of around 2.7260 also. This level is also being a weak resistance, so chances are it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around $2.9. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above 2.9, then we will see it will sustain above that level, and yes, a probability of crossing a level of 3.043 is there. Okay, it will cross this level and it will go further upside, and once the price started going above that level, we will see it will touch a level of $3.3814, and from there a probability of touching a level of 3.5 to a level of 3.6. Okay, and once started going above 3.6, we will see a further upside movement and chances of touching a level of around 3.9 also we can see, and from there a probability of moving above a level of $4 we can see, and then this gap can be filled. Okay, and remember something, always try to set your SL because it is very important to keep your capital safe. Okay, and it will save your capital if you're putting a proper SL. Okay, it should not be that if the volatility is very high and you're putting a small SL. No, reduce your quantity by half or 1/4, increase your SL by twice of it rather than hitting your SL. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $2.4, and once started going below this level, below a level of 2.3, probability of going towards 2.2 we can see, and once started going below a level of 2.2, a further fall we can see below a level of $2. Okay, and once started moving below a level of $2, we can see it will move further low, because if you look at this particular trend, overall trend is, if you look at from this particular zone, downside. Okay, and this pattern is also forming the same thing. Okay, as well as if the dollar index also supporting this particular view, because dollar index is trying to go upside, as which is supporting that the natural gas can move further down. As soon as started going below a level of $2, we can see a level of 1.9 to a level of 1.8, and from there a probability of touching 1.6 also we can see in the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. If you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.